Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nikki Free. I want to come on here today and show you this video of the baby being arrested in Miami. So far, this is all the information I could find on this particular arrest was the video, but I'm sure with the way the internet moves, we will have more updates soon. Now, you know, the baby already has had a brush with the law on the 23rd of just last month, where he was arrested after his performance at Bojangles in his hometown of North Carolina. Now, he did come out and say that it was all BS and that the cops were basically just picking on him, singling him out, and the police officers that detained him are under investigation to make sure that they didn't do anything improper. Fast forward to now, we have videos here that I will show you here in just a second of the baby being arrested in Miami. This is very close. These are very close incidents. So comment below and let me know what you guys think about this. The baby is a very, very, very talented artist. And as I'm sure many of you know, he has been very generous to his fans, and he seems to be a pretty cool guy. I know he's had things happen in the past, but you know, overall, the baby seems like a pretty cool stand-up guy, and hopefully he can get past all this and get back to what he does best, and that is the music. All right, guys, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Here's the video. Peace.
Arresting the baby, boy. Crazy.
That's sweet baby.
Arresting the baby. Put that in the case. Arresting him after nine. All that for the baby, man. Arresting the baby, boy. Crazy.
That's sweet baby.
Arresting the baby. Put that in the case. Arresting him after nine. All that for the baby, man. Arresting the baby, boy. Crazy.
That's sweet baby.
Arresting the baby. Put that in the case. Arresting him after nine. All that for the baby, man.